Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the amazing 98/85/50mm car polishing kit drill brush electric scrubber brush. This powerful cleaning tool is a game changer when it comes to tackling tough cleaning jobs around your home or car. With a choice of 3 different brush sizes, you'll have the versatility to clean any surface, from flat areas to hard-to-reach corners. The high-quality polypropylene bristles are scratch-free and resistant to chemicals, ensuring that they will last through even the toughest cleaning tasks. Our drill brush kit is perfect for cleaning your bathroom, fiberglass showers, bathtubs, toilets, kitchen sinks, countertops, stoves, cookware, car tires and more. It's a reliable selection of durable cleaning tools that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. So if you're tired of struggling with stubborn dirt and grime, it's time to invest in the 98/85/50mm car polishing kit drill brush electric scrubber brush. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing cleaning tool and take the first step towards a cleaner, more efficient cleaning routine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.